Welcome to Text Scope Zone. What is HTML? HTML, HyperText Markup Language, is the standard language used to structure and present content on the web. It provides the foundation for creating web pages and web applications by organizing text, images, links, and other media into a format that web browsers can interpret and display. Key features of HTML. Markup language. HTML uses a system of tags, example HTML, head, body, to define the structure and elements of a web page. Building block of web pages. Every web page is essentially an HTML document, which web browsers interpret to render the page for users. Hypertext. Hypertext refers to the ability to link to other web pages or resources using hyperlinks, a tag. Platform independent. HTML is universal and can be interpreted by any web browser, regardless of the operating system. Let's summary what you have learned. HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language is the standard language for structuring and presenting web content, forming the foundation for web pages and applications by organizing text, images, links, and media for browsers to display. Key features of HTML. Markup language uses tags to define and structure web page content. Web page foundation serves as the base for all websites and web applications. Hypertext enables linking to other pages and resources using hyperlinks. Platform independent works across all web browsers and operating systems. Media support embeds text, images, videos, and other media.